Welcome to the Go Ham Show. I'm DJ Go Ham, and tonight we're gonna watch NASCAR Aloe.
Oink, oink, pig, pig, do away with the
pork. This is some bullshit.
COVID-19, call me COVID-19, COVID-19, call me COVID-19, COVID-19, call me COVID-19, COVID-19, call me COVID-19, I'm up to something, you not, I want to stretch it, don't make assumptions, you off, I fucking hate you, and yes I beat it, alright, they might just kill you, if you around it, you call,
Okay, I originally was gonna not say anything, but on some real shit, I miss NASCAR Aloe. I haven't done them in a long time, and I just want to let you guys know that he did a freestyle about the coronavirus, and that's what you're listening to right now.
Warning! Motherfucker, it's a national emergency! On the 30 days, you'll fade away, watch as they turn to gray! Bitch, I am a virus, scientists cannot exterminate! COVID-19, COVID-19, COVID.
See, it's very danceable, though. I would never think that freaking NASCAR Aloe would do, like, a danceable track to a motherfucking virus. To be honest with you, no, that's very NASCAR, actually.
COVID-19, COVID-19.
I recommend everybody get hazmat suits. It will protect you from COVID-19. Not really. It really won't, but let's just wear them because they're fashionable and trendy, and everybody can get these for, like, you know, $17 online, and you walk around in your neighborhood and look like you're having fun at the park and take pictures and post it on your Instagram. That's what I'm gonna do.
COVID-19, 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 call me COVID-19, COVID-19, call me COVID-19, COVID-19, call me COVID-19, COVID-19, call me COVID-19.
Okay, yeah, that's the tear the fucking club up. Like, that's the motherfucking theme. I mean, like, when he goes COVID-19, COVID-fucking-19, tear the club up, tear the fucking club up. I'm gonna play it one more time. Let's go.
COVID-19, call me COVID-19.
Such a soothing song to listen to during such a hard time. However, it ain't that hard because NASCAR Aloe can still be blazing out of our speakers. And as long as we got the tap water, we won't be going out and riding in the streets, I hope. Anyway, I like NASCAR Aloe. Woo!